everyone. So congratulations for all those जिनका रिजल्ट आया है. डोंट वरी, आई एम नॉट आस्किंग कि आपके कितने मार्क्स आए हैं कितने नहीं आए. अगर अच्छे आए हैं तो कंग्रेचुलेशंस, वेल डन. एंड अगर नहीं आए देन इट्स ऑल्सो फाइन, क्योंकि उस मार्क्स से इतना कुछ मैटर नहीं करता. आई नो दैट इज़ द पाथवे टू गेट एडमिशन इन कॉलेजेस, बट उसके अलावा जो आप काम करते हो वो मैटर करता है. सो डोंट गेट डिसहार्टेंड. अभी फ़िलहाल इस वीडियो में, दिस इज़ कंगन, दिस इज़ माई वेरी फर्स्ट यूट्यूब वीडियो. सो आई थॉट ऑफ स्टार्टिंग माई यूट्यूब जर्नी विद समथिंग जो मैंने किया, दैट इज़ इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स. आई वॉज परस्यूइंग इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स फ्रॉम दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी, दौलत राम कॉलेज, दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी. सो या, तो रीज़न बिहाइंड वाई आई टुक इकोनॉमिक्स इज़ आई वॉज गुड इन इकोनॉमिक्स. मुझे इको बहुत अच्छी लगती थी. 11th-12th की इकोनॉमिक्स में मेरे काफ़ी अच्छे मार्क्स आए थे. एंड दैट वाज ही सब्जेक्ट जिसमें मुझे इतना पढ़ना नहीं पड़ता था, इतने एफर्ट्स नहीं लगाने पड़ते थे, और मुझे बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगता था. उसके बाद मेरी बिज़नेस इकोनॉमिक्स अच्छी थी, बिज़नेस अच्छा था, जो सब्जेक्ट्स होता है, बिज़नेस स्टडीज़ अच्छी थी मेरी. मैथ्स में आई वॉज नॉट गुड, आई डेंट लाइक मैथ्स. अकाउंट्स में भी मुझे बहुत एफर्ट्स करने पड़ते थे, तब जाके मेरे मार्क्स आते थे. तो मैंने चूज़ किया इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स. एंड ये वन ऑफ द टफेस्ट कोर्स माना जाता है. एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी वास्ट कोर्स जिसके अंदर आप डिफरेंट फील्ड्स के सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ोगे. एंड इकोनॉमिक्स के बारे में तो बहुत पढ़ोगे क्योंकि इकोनॉमिक्स ऑनर्स है. तो अब ये वीडियो देखने का पर्पस, लेट मी टेल यू कि कौन कौन सी मिस्टेक्स मैंने करी थी, क्या क्या चीज़ें आपको अपने माइंड में रखनी चाहिए ये करियर चूज़ करने से पहले, या फिर आगे इसका फ्यूचर क्या है, एंड थिंग्स दैट यू शुड ऑलवेज रिमेंबर वाइल चूजिंग एनी फील्ड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. This is the list of subjects you will like if you really like economics. So you will be studying micro, macro, intro and intermediate, like the level will increase eventually. Then you will study public economics, environmental science, that's contemporary issues, Indian economy, political economics, international economics, development and trade. Too much ego on one board. But yeah, these are all the subjects that are directly related to economics that you will be studying. Then shifting your focus to this thing. Economics honors is not just confined to economics, but it has lot of maths. So there are a lot of technical stuff in economics honors, and maths will always be by your side, be it making graphs, be it solving questions, be it making economical statements or deriving results. So this is the subject which students find it difficult, that is mathematical methods of economics. This is MME. Then you study econometrics. It has some point of view regarding statistics, correlation coefficient when you study the relationship between different variables. For example, if we are talking about unemployment, so what are the factors that do affect unemployment, and you will be making model based on that. Then data analysis. So this is the, a very good field and a growing field day by day. So you will be studying about various softwares also. We were taught R, that is R language, wherein we have to put data, model and find results. Then statistical method for economics, and then environmental economics. This also has lot of mathematical touch to it. Apart from this, if you are interested in business and marketing, then these are the list of subjects that you can study: marketing, project management, entrepreneurship, business organization and management. So in economics honors is a very vast field, and you will be going through different subjects of your interest. But the things to remember while taking economics honors. So first one is maths. There is lot of maths, so just don't choose economics honors because you just like economics. Just see, go through the syllabus and check the content whether you like it or not, and then take your decision. Second, technical. These subjects which I showed you are very technical in nature, and you have to be consistent, you have to be dedicated towards the work, and you have to practice a lot to master these subjects. Third, it's studying before exam. Economics honors is a stream wherein you can't just pass your exam while studying 1 month before or 10 days before your exam, or even the night before your exam. This is not possible because in these subjects there are a lot of chances that you will get and even if you are sitting for the placement, or if you wanted to go abroad, so they do ask you that whether you have any re-examination or not. So please keep in mind that you have to be consistent while you are studying. Then spoon feeding. In schools, we have habit that our teacher will tell you, okay, study this, our teachers will guide you, but in college that is not the case. You are responsible for everything that you do, so be a responsible person and don't depend on anyone. You have to do everything by your own, be it extracurricular activities, be it anything, you have to do it your own. Then score. It is a bit difficult to get good scores in economics honors as compared to other subjects or other courses, be it like for example BCom or BCom honors. So economics honors is a bit difficult than that. Apart from this, choose economics honors if you really wanted to pursue career in economics in future. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much.